All the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. We're going to need some pineapple, lemon, orange, sultanas, vanilla extract, walnuts, eggs, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, grated carrots, vegetable oil, light brown sugar, caster sugar, coconut shreds, and some plain flour. I am using 8-inch or 20 centimeters cake tins. We are going to spray each cake tin with some spray and then line it with some parchment paper. Into a bowl, sift all your dry ingredients, your flour, baking powder, soda, and all your spices. Mix well and combine everything together. Into a stand mixing bowl, we're going to add our eggs, vanilla extract, brown and caster sugar, your vegetable oil. We're going to mix it all until it's nice and smooth. Add your mixed flour. Add your coconut shreds, your raisins. Mix that in. Add your grated carrots. Add your crushed walnuts, lemon and orange zest, and lastly the pineapple. Give it all a really nice and gentle mix. So your cake mixture is nice and ready, look at that. Divide the mixture evenly. I like to weigh it so my cakes come out exactly the same. Take the cakes out of your tins and we're going to cut it in half, and I'm using a serrated knife. Add the first layer of your cake. Spread your buttercream around the cake. Add your second layer on top and repeat with the buttercream. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I like to give it quite a rustic look. And then you can go around the edges and just smear all that buttercream together. Lastly, I've got some crumbs left from the cake and we can just go around and decorate it. Use orange icing to do the carrot and then the green one to do the leaves. Once you've done all your carrots, your cake needs to go back in the fridge so it's nice and set.